These two needed a walk, and it's been pouring rain all afternoon. So it's almost dark now. But look how high the little stream is. It really poured rain. It was raining so hard you couldn't see, and it's supposed to rain again. So this is going to be just a quick little walk today. Look at that stream. Can you hear it? I think that's a soothing sound. That tree's beautiful. Wow. It's really flowing. Now, Miss Kylie, she's wanting to walk right here, that hill today. Oh no, I ran into a limb, so I better stop filming. Just got water all over us. You guys have a good day.